How's it going, everyone? Landon here with LMR.com. In this video, I'm going to be checking out these factory style replacement wheels for the first generation 1993 to 1995 SVT Lightning. At LMR.com, we love to solve problems and offer credible solutions for the Lightning trucks. One of these solutions has been the factory style wheel for the 1993 to 1995 SVT Lightnings. After several months of careful research and development, here are the two factory style wheel offerings for the first generation Lightnings. Now, being a factory style wheel, you'll notice that the replica wheel features the same iconic design that was specific to the first gen trucks. Up first is the tried and true silver option, which is obviously going to be the closest to that of the factory wheel. It is a painted finish, and each wheel is going to include a factory style center cap as well. The second option is going to be the chrome version of the factory style wheel. Back in the day, Lightning owners would media blast their factory wheels and then either polish them to a high shine, or they would simply have them chrome plated. Now, being real Lightning enthusiasts and having been around them for as long as we have, it was a no-brainer to offer a similar finish that has been ever so popular throughout the years. The overall size of each wheel is going to be 17 by 8 inches. They have a neutral or 0mm offset, a back spacing of 4.5 inches, and each wheel is going to tip the scale at approximately 27 pounds. Each wheel is constructed from cast aluminum, so strength and durability is right on the money. Both wheels are backed by a limited lifetime structural warranty and a 2-year finish warranty. This wheel is engineered to fit all 1993 to 1995 SVT Lightnings. When securing this wheel to the truck, be sure and use the factory Acorn style lug nuts, or pick up some new Acorn style lug nuts to complement your new wheels. This factory style Lightning wheel is currently available by itself, in a wheel kit, or in one of our wheel and tire packages that are professionally mounted and balanced by us and will arrive at your door ready to bolt on to the truck. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, be sure and check out our other videos, and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang, and of course, SVT Lightnings.